Okay, our first stop is going to be Mr. Motos Pizza. They have pizza and pastas. You can buy a whole pizza. You can buy a slice and a drink, 2 slices and a drink, 3 slices and a drink. They have several different options.
They have some salad also.
They have
beer.
some salads, beer. They have several different items, and that's where we're headed. We will get back with you when we get there and show you what they got cooking at Mr. Motos. What do you think?
I love Mr. Motos. It's really good.
They got the garlic knots. All right. Well, it looks like we got our pizza already.
Yeah, I remember at Disneyland.
I didn't know we had our pizza already. Let me Okay, what you got?
So I get the California Lovers. That is this one. Is this one, and this one has bacon, caramelized onion, and ranch. And the other is the pizza of the month that has the Alfredo sauce, 4 cheeses, chili oil, and bacon. Looks delicious. So let's see. I think I will try first this one. And what you have?
I have the Rocky Mountain with some, what are the, sausage?
Ricotta
Sausage?
cheese and meatballs.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then I got cheese, which is halfway eaten because I don't like my mom.
Okay.
But yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay.
So what did you get?
Okay, so I got the Rocky Mountain, which has ricotta cheese, meatballs, and they put this chili oil on it that's really good. And I also got the pizza of the month that you already described. I forgot what all it has. It has Alfredo sauce, 4 cheeses, chili oil, and bacon.
Yeah, that's good.
And it's gonna be
and
really
this is
good.
pretty good too.
I'm gonna start with this one because I know I love it.
Good. How is yours, Andy?
Excellent.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Sausage is excellent.
It's meatball.
Meatball. Sorry. Meatball's good.
That's Mr. Moto.
Here's me, and then my dad and my mom.
She comes and goes.
If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like. See you guys in the next one.